Welcome to Gunwal Classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Reflection of a point in a point. Part 1. Let the reflection of the point A x, y in the point C alpha, beta be E dash. Clearly, C is the midpoint of AA dash. Let A dash is equal to PQ, then C is equal to alpha, beta is equal to x plus P by 2, y plus Q by 2. This implies alpha is equal to x plus p by 2 and beta is equal to y plus q by 2. This implies p is equal to twice alpha minus x and q is equal to twice beta minus y. Thus, a dash is equal to twice alpha minus x, twice beta minus y. Centroid of a triangle. ABC is a triangle whose vertices are A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3. Let G be the centroid of the triangle. Then from geometry, G is the median of AD, where AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. As D is the middle point of BC, D is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. Therefore, G is equal to twice x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus x1 divided by 2 plus 1, twice into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus y1 divided by 2 plus 1. This is equal to, on simplification, we will have x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Example 1. P divides the line segment joining A minus 2, 1 and B 1, 4 in the ratio 2:1. Find the coordinates of P. Let's solve this. From the section formula, P is equal to 2 gets multiplied with x coordinate of P, that is 1, plus 1 gets multiplied with x coordinate of A, that is minus 2, divided by 2 plus 1. Similarly, for the y coordinate, 2 gets multiplied with y coordinate of B, that is 4, and 1 gets multiplied with y coordinate of A, that is 1, divided by 2 plus 1. This on simplification comes as the